everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I will be working with First Aid Beauty once again, and I'm going to be talking all about how to get rid of gross, dry, cracked, and chapped winter skin. First Aid Beauty came out with a new cream, and it is their Ultra Repair BarriAir cream. What's great about this is that it is safe for sensitive skin. It has an air-like texture like no other cream that I've ever tried. It is hypoallergenic, and it can be used twice a day. If you guys remember, a few months ago I worked with First Aid Beauty and showed you guys their acne clearing charcoal cleanser. I have a few clips of me last night in the shower using it. Let me just say I like to jam out to my music in the shower. Don't judge me. And then after using the cleanser at night, I always like to follow up with this. It has helped my skin so much. My skin was so dry, cracked, chapped, you name it. It was gross because I live here in Maine where it's either always snowing or always below zero during the winter time. And literally you could see cracks in my skin. That's how bad it was. And now my skin is so smooth and soft. And I do have a clip right here of me putting the cream on. And let me just tell you guys, it is like a texture like no other. It is hard to see on camera, but basically it's literally like a mixture of snow and soap sud bubbles. And like when you touch it, it's like foamy. It is the coolest thing ever. Might as well put it on since I have it on my finger. I'm not gonna waste it. I cannot say enough good things about this product. It has changed my skincare, and I am so grateful that I was able to work with First Aid Beauty again. So if you guys are someone like me and you have sensitive skin or really dry, cracked, and chapped skin because you live somewhere where it's either really dry or really cold or there's no moisture, I cannot recommend enough that you should try this product. So definitely get your hands on this if you are looking for a good facial moisturizer. I will have a link to it down below for you guys. If you guys have tried any First Aid Beauty products and really liked them, let me know what they are in the comments down below, because let me tell you, I am slowly becoming addicted to this brand. It is such a good skincare company, and I definitely want to try more of their products. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have tried this new cream and love it just as much as I do, be sure to let me know your thoughts on it down below, as well as any other First Aid Beauty product suggestions you have for me. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week, and would love it if you'd become part of the Allie Packet Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!